Within the 3D workshops, there's 4 main areas. At the moment, we're in the metal workshop. We've got the mould making room, we've got fabrication, and we've got woodworking. We have a fully functioning bronze foundry. We're one of the few universities outside of London to have a foundry. It allows people to cast an object and convert it into a bronze or aluminium cast.
So when coming into the workshop, you can just come in quite comfortably to experiment and play around with materials just to give yourself this initial knowledge of how materials work. Or just as well, you can come in with an idea and the technicians are fantastic at working with you to kind of get your ideas realised.
Within each room, there's always a technician there. We each have our own specialisms. Having said that, we can also cross over each other's areas, so there's always someone there to hand that can help you.
My current project actually encompasses all 4 areas of the workshop. So I've gone into wood to fabricate templates, I've gone into metal to weld big bases together. I wouldn't be able to do it without just the knowledge of the technicians.
Part of our real job satisfaction is when we see a student grow in confidence, grow in ability. Our goal is that you will leave university with skills that will allow you to progress as an artist or a sculptor or an illustrator.
I came in here with no prior knowledge of sculpture and definitely wasn't confident enough to build what I'm building now. But throughout my 3 years here, I've developed an amazing skill set in something I never thought I'd be able to do. So I'm going to leave university really confident and I can take on new challenges, whether big or small.